Beyza başlıyoruz.
Hi, I'm Minos, and this is my EE-212 project. My project is an automatic timed pet feeder. It has 4 segments in it, and during the set times, the cup in its switches to another segment. As you can see from the cover, only a quarter of the cup is available at a time. So when it rotates, another segment is available for your pet to eat. To show that it works, I'm going to set these alarms. Here's the time that I'm using. It's quite identical to a real life time. So it's 13:16 now. I will set the time to 1 p.m. and 17 minutes. As you can see, we have set the times. Now let's run our program. Okay.
Ya oğlum sen şuna bak.
Since the time is 1 p.m. and 17 minutes, it's rotated once, and it's going to rotate again in 1 minute and 18 minutes. 1 p.m. 18 minutes. Okay, as you can see, it's rotated to a quarter, and this will go on as many as your alarms that you've set. Okay. So how this works is, for the time, for keeping real time, we have a RTC module that's set. We can see here the data of the RTC module from the oscilloscope. As we can see, we had a signal just now when the clock hits 1 p.m. 19 minutes. We will have one again in 1 p.m. 20 minutes. Here's another one. So, yeah. So the clock is updated every 5 minutes or so. Sorry, the clock is updated every 5 seconds or so. As you can see here. And here's the clock of the RTC module. Okay, so Okay. Uh, the RTC module. That's how the RTC module works. And we also have a Bluetooth module for our interface, user interface, which is the time that it's sent. We can see the transmission port in the oscilloscope once again. Like I have mentioned before,
each letter is sent one by one.
Okay. Each letter, each character is sent one by one. 1 byte at a time is sent through the Bluetooth module. And lastly, we have the PWM signal, which powers the servo that's in here, which rotates the cup inside. We can see the PWM here in the oscilloscope now.
Alarm gelmesi lazım.
Doğru. So since right now there is no alarm, there is no signal in the PWM module because the servo isn't turning. I will set alarms one more time so you can see PWMs. Bu kalite önce. Okay. Okay. Let's build bu. Okay. Here's the PWM signal for the servo. We will have one again in a minute. Here it is once again. And this is basically how my project works. Thanks for watching. That's all.